Okay, folks, so we have finished the 12 nights of Christmas giveaway. And when Edie and I shot those 12 videos, there was a 13th. And actually, this is my favorite video. But when I did it, I didn't realize I only had 12 packages, or 12 lids, 12 colored lids, 12 pans, 12 bases. So for the 13th bonus video, I didn't have that package. However, I like the question so much, the trivia question so much, and it's some of you will get it, some of you won't get it. To me, it's hysterical. But so here's the prize for just that one video. You ready? Okay. So one of these guys. This is the Maxi Pan ceramic non-stick. So this will be part of that giveaway. And we can add one of these baking grates to it. That fits right in there. So when I ship this, I'll probably take this off. We will add a silicone liner that fits perfectly in the Maxi. Now, some of you, I mean, this is non-stick ceramic, but maybe you like to cook with the silicone as well. I mean, you see us do it in our videos. We use this, and we sometimes use this. But to go along with that, I have these aftermarket separators. So I will also throw that in with this package. And then to wrap all that up, I will throw everything in the bag. So you're going to get the non-stick Maxi. You'll get the 2 silicone separators. You'll get the 1 silicone and a baking grate. And I'll throw it all in this pan. So without further ado, here comes the trivia question. Anybody can enter. You guys know the drill. You have to be a subscriber to our YouTube channel, and you have to be a member of our Facebook group. Those links will be in the description down below, along with some other contest details and so on and so forth. So here we go. My favorite question, my favorite trivia question ever. Enjoy. See you. Okay, see you.
This is the bonus question. What member of our Facebook group do we consider the brownie king?
Or queen.
Or queen? Is it Crangus McBasketball, Bert Sherbert, Santiago Setme, Ricky Ticky, Bobby Wobbin, Kevin Kemp, Heimlich Manure, Aunt Tim, Yanni Van Halen, Fredrus Edgebono, Nobby Cronkles, All Butter Pound Loaf, Simmy Can't Stand Your Borbits, Deborah or Credit, or Tony Gunk.
You're going to repeat all that?
I'm going to try to repeat these names.
These are all members of our Facebook group?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Who do we consider the brownie king?
Or queen.
Or queen.
We got to get our pronouns all straight.
Ready, folks?
Yeah.
I can't believe I'm going to say these names again.
Okay.
Crangus McBasketball, Bert Sherbert, Santiago Setme, Ricky Ticky Bobbin Wobbin.
I can't take it.
Kevin Kemp, Heimlich Manure, Aunt Tim, Yanni Van Halen, Frederick Edgebono, Nabby Cankles, All Butter Pound Loaf, Simmy Canster Borbits, Deborah or Credit, or Tony Gunk. You must comment on this short, please. I am not repeating those names. Good luck to you and me.